In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram page for business, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, if you already have an Instagram account made for your business, you can actually use that, but if you want to create a new account, you can do that as well. Now, if you already have your account made, you're going to click on your profile and click on your name at the top and actually add the account that you are choosing to make into a business account. If it's this account, you're going to click on the three lines at the top corner, click on Settings and Privacy, and scroll down until you see Account Type and Tools. Now, you're going to click on Switch to Professional Account, and it'll give you a bunch of reasons why you can do that. And then once you click Next, you're going to click on what best describes you as a business. For example, a digital creator. You can then click on OK, and you can then actually create the professional account, but you're going to need to give a few different pieces of information that describe. So you can say creator or business, then you can change your safety settings, and you can go through the entire process of creating your professional account. That's really all there is to it. Just go through the entire process and it'll lead you through all the steps really simply. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.